Good morning, friends. Mrs. K. Hall here. Let's dive into some writing. So far we have made our character or characters. I have created Mrs. Hershey, and I will get into a little bit more about her in a little while. But since we have our character, we now have to create a story that goes along with that character. So for example, if I wanted to create a story, just like in Iris and Walter, there's a problem. Walter gets lost. So what are we going to have to do? We are going to have to create a problem in our writing stories too. So today we are going to create a list of different types of problems that our character could get into. Okay? So today what I want to teach you is how to create realistic problems for your character. These problems need to be a problem that could really happen in real life. Just like in Iris and Walter, Walter gets lost. That's something that could happen in real life. So let's talk about the problems that we could come up with. Okay, so here is my character, Mrs. Hershey. Just like you guys filled out too, which they are absolutely fantastic. I love looking at them, and I will share them in just a moment, all of yours that I've seen so far. So create a character. My name is Mrs. K. Hall, obviously. My character's name is Mrs. Hershey. She is a girl. She has black eye color. Her hair color is blonde. She's 30 years old, and her favorite clothes to wear are skirts and scarves. But now we need to come up with some problems that she could run into. So here is problems for your character. So let's brainstorm. If I'm thinking about school, maybe she has some problems with dealing with bullying. Oops. Maybe bullying is a problem. Maybe she's helping kids with problems with bullying. Maybe she has some problems with too much homework. We'll just put homework so it fits. Oh, maybe one is making friends. Oh, you know what? When I was younger, I had a really big problem when my best friend moved away. So maybe she's having some problems with moving away. That could be a big problem. Oh, I know what is a problem for some of us is when we have to learn something new. Learning, so we'll just put new things. Let's see. Oh, you know what? I did want to give Mrs. Hershey some sisters and brothers to have. So maybe she has some problems with her siblings, with her sisters and brothers. And I think I'm going to kind of go back to Iris and Walter and the field trip. And I think what I'm going to think about is maybe she lost something really special. So losing something. That could definitely be something. I'm just going to capitalize our bullying and our homework. Here we go. So we have 7 things so far of realistic problems. We need 7 more. So I might need your help to help me figure out some more. So what we're going to do is your assignment for today is going to be to fill out a problems for your character sheet of your own. Now I thought of some more problems that could be maybe Mrs. Hershey's sister or brother, or maybe my other character that I'm going to create. Maybe they have a wiggly tooth. That could be a problem. Or maybe a birthday party didn't go well. So birthday party, oops. Or possibly, something happens on the first day of school. That could be a big one. And even getting hurt. Like falling, maybe falling off a bike. So these are some extras that I need help with. And I'm going to have to look at yours to see what could you guys help me with. Okay, I need some problems also. So writers, today what you are going to do is you are going to come up with some problems that your character or characters could get into. They could get into so many different problems, even more than we have listed here. Feel free to use some of my examples, but I want you to come up with some of your own also. At least 10 examples. Because right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there's 14 slots. You could always go on the back side too. Remember, if you don't have access to a printer, that's fine. Just write it on a piece of paper or type it in the document. And I'm going to send the document just like I did here in where I was able to type right in. That's what I'm going to do for you also. But if you want to print it off, I will put a version in here that you can print off too. So you can write it. Totally up to you. So friends, have fun creating those problems. Remember, they have to be realistic. So you can't put something that's like made up, like their dog started talking, because we know that in real life, dogs don't talk. So have fun creating those problems for your characters. If you finish early, create another character. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to create at least 2 more characters for my stories. I am so excited to see what you guys come up with for your problems. So here are some of our characters from our class. Here is Miss Hannah, and her character is, well, I can't see it very well. I think it says Mr. Lift. I could be very, very wrong. But it looks like this character is 40 years old. It is a girl. Oh, I'm sorry. So it's not Mr. That's my bad. I am so excited to see what that says. It's just very hard to see. So great job, Hannah. Here's Rowan's. Very nice. He likes to wear his police uniform. Love it. I'm excited to see what problems he gets into. Evelyn. Ginger. Ooh, I love her orange dress. And her tights. Very, very nice. Cooper. Thank you for sharing your character. It is a boy. Very nice. Mackie. Oh, I love it. Awesome job. Loves. Oh, she has blue eyes and she's 18 years old. Fantastic. Mr. Sawyer, Ninja. Awesome, awesome. I'm so excited to read what adventures and problems that Ninja gets into. He has black eyes and blue hair. That is fantastic. Miss Lexi, I can't wait to read about your character. Miss Clara, Lucy, I can't wait to read about Lucy. She likes to wear dresses. Oh, so cool. I love it. Here is Aubrey, Sadie. Ooh, blue eyes, blonde hair. Very nice. Love it. Nolan, Mr. AJ is your character. Can't wait to read the adventures that he goes on. He likes to wear Pokemon shirts and camel pants. Love that combo. Noah, Kevin Z. I love it. Ooh, shirts, striped pants, and a hat. Love it. He's 26 years old. It's almost as old as Mrs. Gale is. And look at this. This was Miss Mackie's mom. This is her character, Arthur. Very nice. And Mackie's other character, Jade. I cannot wait to learn more about all of these fantastic characters. So boys and girls, I am so excited to read about your characters and about the problems that they go on. So let's have fun creating those problems for our characters. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep on writing and learning. Bye guys.